guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, I am coming up with a very important video. As you guys suggested me that ma'am, we want to learn about that. Yes, what is the difference between preteritum and perfect? And this is a very interesting plus a very important topic. This topic basically is for A2, B1 and B2 learners, because this topic remains in all three levels in the different way, in the different zone. So are you guys ready for this? Let me tell you, if you are new on my channel, then German Gyan helps you to give all the knowledge related to German language, German visa, Germany, each and everything. Like, this is a perfect one-stop solution for all your queries related to German. So yes, please do subscribe, like this video, share this video, and yes, comment down that what next you want, what are your questions. If you have further any question or something, then please do update me. And yes, please do follow me on my Instagram, German Gyan 1, where I put daily updates, daily what batches are starting, what are starting and everything. So please do follow me there also, and I come live on Instagram also on the very random basis. So don't forget to follow that page also. Let's start without any further ado. Let's get into the video. So guys, as I have told you that this topic is all about how and in which conditions, basically where we need to use preteritum, where we need to use perfect tense. This is a past tense of German language. In English we do have a lot of tenses, but in German we only have preteritum and perfect. These are the two past tenses which we have. And guys, please make sure that please do not compare English and German, because if you compare these two languages, then you will be confused on a very different way, and yes, German will become a little difficult for you. So yes, you can relate on some point, but please don't compare, because that will harm you in reality. So I think that this is the first suggestion which I give to any student who is enrolling with German Gyan. So yes, if you want to learn German, then yes, we are open for that also. Let's come to the first difference. In this video I will be telling you that what exactly are the conditions, because normally what we know is preteritum is used for this and perfect is used for this, but in reality we do use in both conditions. And now let me tell you what are the both conditions. Basically in German we are having two types of languages. One is speaking and one is writing. So most of the people will be aware that yes, preteritum is used in writing and perfect is used while speaking, but this is not at all true. Let me tell you why. Basically perfect tense is used while a verbal language, which is your speaking language. While you're speaking, we mostly use, there are a lot of different ways in which we can use preteritum also while speaking. Like when we are using haben and sein in preteritum and we are using modal verb, then yes, we can use it as a speaking tense. With modal verbs and haben and sein preteritum, we can use it in a verbal, which means a speaking language. For example, you can see on your screen, and in fact let me tell you one or two examples, because that will be helping you a lot. Ich habe das gemacht. Ich habe eine E-Mail geschrieben. So yes, this is very true that mostly time we do use the perfect tense, but yes, preteritum can be used, and now you need not to worry about that. Let me give you some more example. That ich war krank. Meine Freundin war krank. Wir waren in Berlin. Sie hatte viel Arbeit. These all are the sentences where we have used preteritum, haben and sein verb, and in fact when we are using modal verb we can also use for speaking. And for the modal verb, if you want, I can give you example like wollte Kaffee trinken. Was willst du machen? Ich möchte nach Haus gehen. Konntest du Tennis spielen? So these are the few examples which will be letting you know that yes, in the preteritum we can use in the speaking tense also. Now please do not get confused, and please make sure. Let's come to the second German language, which is writing. And in writing also, you know that we use preteritum while we are writing old stories, when we are writing the past stories, the newspaper articles, and also in the novels we write. In all the novels you will find it is written in preteritum, but please, there is one misconception in our mind that we cannot use perfect tense. We can also use perfect tense in writing purpose also, and let me tell you how we can do that. And the most important difference is that perfect tense, if you need to write, if you are using perfect tense in only in two forms, which is email writing and the letter writing, and remaining whatever is left, newspaper articles, normal articles, novels, books, anything while we are writing stories, the whole day, everything we will be writing in Praetoritum only. So please make sure, and this is the most important difference between perfect and Praetoritum. I think so this is how the people normally get confused. I hope you know that how we have to create the Praetoritum forms and all. If you need a proper detailed video for that, like for example I can tell you, like gehen is ging, fahren is fuhr. There are a lot of different Praetoritum verbs, and if you need a proper detailed video that how, because we are having a specific different rules for it, so if you need something like that, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will be coming out with a new video very soon with a very important B1 practice session. So yes, I hope that you gonna love that video, and I hope you like this video also. So if you have any further question or query, please do update me in the comment section, like this video, share this. And yes, we are coming up with a teacher training program which is starting from 3rd August. Please do enroll for that 15 days training, and you will be getting 3 months internship letter, what you next want, and plus I will be adding you in a one WhatsApp group. So please, if you have done the teacher training from me and if you are willing to get job still, please do join that group. I am willing to add you guys, and that link will be only and only for the B2 learners who have done B2 with us, or for the teacher training students. So yeah, please stay tuned. And yes, A1, A2, B1 batch is starting. In fact, B1 and B2, in fact A1, A2 also, exam preparation is also done with us. So if you need something like that, interview preparations, everything, as I've told you, one-stop solution to all your queries, all your problems, all your practice, which is German GAN. So please stay tuned, and yes, see you in the next video. Till then, you know what you have to do: subscribe, like and share. Take care, and see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning German with German GAN.